They know my story.
So one of my stylist friend, and she's also a YouTuber. She does like YouTube tutorial just like me, and her YouTube name is Eat Jessica. I'm gonna try to tag her name in my description box. She showed me how to use this. Like when she was talking about it initially, I was like, what was that for? But then after we were done, I'm telling you, the braids were so nice. It came so nice in the picture. It looked so nice in person. It's literally just better than trying to use the scissors to like trim your client's braids. Of course, you can use that, but literally doing this also add a little bit of like just more spice into it. I try to implement it on all my clients' braids, but sometimes I just don't have time for that. But guys, try this on your client braids and you're going to see the wonders. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well today. So I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial of the knotless braids, but really just knotless braids with curly ends basically. And I use the African best braiding here, and I also use GOGO Curls, so GOGO Curls, GOGO Curls, GOGO Curls, and color 1B. So right now I'm going to be showing you guys how I prep my curls. I'm going to take one strand, cut it into two, and then take the other half and just separate it and just use that for my end. So basically you only need about one pack of the curls, and then for the braiding hair, one pack. Now the braiding hair, one pack had about 3 bundles in them, so like 1 in 3, I don't know how they say it, but really just one pack had about 3 bundles in them, and I used about three packs, so making it like 9 bundles, if that makes sense. And then for the curly hair, I only had to use about 1 pack because again I had to add curls on every single ends of the braids, but at the same time I only had to like use basically 1 strand of curls can serve me about 4 to 5 braids, so at least 3 braids, but really at least 4 braids, because again we're gonna take one half divided into 2, so that's 4, so sometimes at least 4 to 5 braids basically. So now I'm going to start braiding, and usually just a knotless, you braid first and then I'm going to start inserting my braiding hair. I mean, I've done several of this video, but now I'm just trying to practice to like make my video like closer so you guys can understand more. And also now I am going into much detail about the hair that I use for my clients, because sometimes I don't have the link to all the braiding hair, but I can just say it in my video since I don't have the link to the braiding hair. And I got this hair from the the hair is African best, but I got the hair from the beauty supply. So any beauty supply, you can use any hair of your choice. I use the 58 inches here. If my clients want like waist length, I tend to use like a shorter a much shorter length, because my waist length is like 58 inches, which is like, I don't know what 58 inches, yeah, which is like 28 inches basically, just going down, or 30 inches basically. But my clients want curly ends, I tend to use just like a 50 inches braiding here, because the curl's gonna give you like the extra inches, because some clients are really strict on their length. When I have a client that aren't strict on their length, I can just go crazy and they don't mind their curly ends touching their butt, so that's literally like a butt length, but I don't charge for that extra length because it wasn't really their fault. It was just the hair that I use. But yeah, that'll be all. I mean, as you go in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I insert the curls at the end. And usually to seal the curls at the end, I would just like tie the knot. Before now I used to like burn it, to make it stronger, but now I just tie the knot and then it's just good to go, just moving forward from there. But yeah, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like this video, please share my video. Thank you, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.
It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time. Baby, I'm I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me yard, say she give me pour me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me yard, say me pour me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's Feet Kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. And bomb buck like them and watch it. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what I say?
Standard.
It's Feet Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me yard, say she give me pour me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me yard, say me pour me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's Feet Kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know.